Hi guys, and this is Grace again. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Life in the Province. So for today's video, we're exploring this place. We're going to Paliran. So we're gonna walk going there. So two of my friends, their family is living in Trangka, you know? Trangka. So next to Paliran is Trangka, no? Trangka. So next to Paliran is Trangka. So we're gonna explore this place by walking. So we've been this place before when one of our friend, Sir Mike, his wife is living here in Paliran. So we've been here before in the christening of their kids. So this is my second time to be in this place. So this time by walking only. So we're gonna explore this place, and we're gonna visit also the family of my friends. Hi guys. So we're gonna go to their place there. They have relative sister that is living in Trangka. It's next to Paliran. So we're gonna explore this place. Oh, they have a lot of unsa ni day? Squash? I think. Huh? I don't know if it's cucumber or they're planting some like cucumber here. There's a lot of cucumber. So most of the people here in the province, their daily living is where they plant some vegetables and they're gonna sell it to the market, and that's the way they do for living, to make money and to buy their foods, their daily needs. And as you can see, there's sugar cane on this side. Sugar cane everywhere. Everywhere we go in Negros, there's a sugar cane. So they're having some snacks. Junk foods. They're having some junk foods. So we've been riding bus. They're in Ulay. Yun is akuan. So we're riding bus from Ulay to here, Cabaron, because we can't walk that too far. We don't have that kind of energy, because it's about like 15 kilometers or 18 kilometers from Ulay to here. So we just ride a bus from our place, from Kabulihan to Ulay. We walk, then Ulay to Cabaron, we ride the bus, then Cabaron to the, no? Cabaron going to Paliran or Trangka. We're gonna walk. Let's see if we can survive, guys. Look at that, guys. The rebar, they put it in the motorcycle. They carry that rebar in the motorcycle. It's nice to walk today because it's not so hot. It's humid. There's gasoline per liter, 58 pesos per liter for 1 liter. That's the one they do for living also here in the Philippines. They sell something like that, some gasoline, a convenience store. Oh, it's a little bit stiff. It's like you're going to the mountains. You're climbing to the mountains. There's lots of flowers there. Paana na siya no?
Dolhog na pod.
Nami ay nagdulhog.
Laan na may tangasin din rin.
Diyan na pala ako.
Baba. Out pa kaduna dapat.
Dulhog na sa kaduna. Oh, nice. Lots of trees. So last time we went to this place, we're riding a multi-cab. It's really fun. So much fun in the Philippines. Habal-habal. They carry some stuff in the motorbike. Some Filipinos, that's what they ride. They call it habal-habal when they don't have any transportation. You can get some habal-habal or a motorbike. Then you just pay it. There's a lot of papaya there. There's a place here in after Trangka, no? Guba naman siya, no? It's located in Guba, but they have some a spot there that's very nice. You can take some picture of the mountains and it's really nice. Sunod sa Guba daw.
Dito Pinampanan.
Pinampanan, guro.
Ang Pinampanan, kaya dito naman sa Anggipuyan. Sunod sa Trangka, Pinampanan.
Mura kong nakaihot din niya sa bus.
Singot.
Nangapos kong sa baka.
You will see rough road also. This area. They're planting something also on that side. Looks like it's string beans. String beans. Has a big papaya on there, guys. Look, big papaya. You can see the volcano from here. There. It's hiding in the clouds. Beautiful mountains. Sugarcane field. And we're still walking. Oh, there's tomato. Tomato na daw. Kamatis. There's tomato. Kamatis grown na daw. There's lots of tomato. Carabao. There's Carabao there. So greeny. Wala oy. It's nice. Lots of coconuts there. Coconut tree. So peaceful in here. It's nice. We're lucky because it's not so hot today to walk. So maybe tomorrow we're gonna go to the mountains to the other side. We're gonna get some Java plum leaf. Nice ka picturean diha. Look at this beautiful view, guys. We are here at Trancados. So nice. You can see the ocean and the mountains from the distance. The problem right now is I'm almost low bat. The power bank that I bring, it not work. So I'm in 43% my phone. So we try to go up there and we're gonna go back home after that. Oh my god, it's so nice view, amazing view, guys. Nice. And this one here, lots of coconut tree there. Beautiful mountains of Negros Oriental. It's nice. Breathtaking views. So I think that's all for today, guys. I really do appreciate all of you for watching my videos and for supporting my YouTube channel. So see you on my next video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much, guys. God bless us all.